Guys, today we're gonna be doing the new update with these people I found in Publix.
By the way, I'm not done with my item yet.
You're blinding the
Hello.
camera. Alright, let's go.
Okay, wait.
Take this!
Oh my gosh. Honestly, I think I'm gonna speed up the part where we just dig. And if I don't, then I'm gonna fix it. You better hurry up, because we're already on our way.
I made it.
We have to go this way.
Wait,
This is
before
where the scary part is.
No, this is not the scary.
Guys, do you see any couches? Oh,
Yeah,
you
look.
see a couch? Guys, if you see a couch, look. It means we're really close.
This is
Guys,
where
I
the
made
guys
something called
are.
the Key of Death.
The bonefish is here.
I made something
It's gonna
called the
jump out
Key
at
of
you.
Death.
Ow.
It's right there.
We're killing strangers.
No, it's right here, it's right here. Be sure to hurry up. Alright, let's go.
Wait, I'm trying to...
Yo,
okay.
free! Oh, free laser.
Okay.
Alright. Alright.
Oh.
I hear it. It's over here. No, over here.
Ready?
That one. Yeah, I knew it.
Okay, I'm trying to kill it with the death. The symbol of death.
Yes. Oh, the boss. We're so cooked. Guys, that took way too long, so I just cut to the part where I'm just at Moon Map. So the map was fun, and yeah, the boss is way too. Bye.